cause my defeat. I had to make no sense. Get the fuck out my way on BD.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
You got canceled for work too, by the way.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How you know?
How can you tell me?
I didn't get that text.
You still work?
Yeah.
Double check. You said to make sure you get from unless he put you on different places tomorrow.
I'll ask him. I'll ask him. Straight. I feel like you smell burning rubber. Am I tweaking?
Yeah, I do.
I'm not even hitting it like that for real. Definitely smell something burning too.
You fucking tires, nigga.
I'm not even hitting that bit for real though. I'm in eco still. Like, I'm cooling, saving gas, saving
gas and shit.
saving the can't think of the word right now. The ozone.
Man, fuck the ozone, nigga. No, I'm just playing. Go all the way across, nigga. Gangster.
I can't see because my nigga feet. I had to make no sense. Get the fuck out my way on BD.
Oh shit.
I always drop the wrong window down.
He my cousin.
Look like shit. I'm wondering if he try to catch up to me in race research. I'm wondering, like, we can have fun tonight, fun nigga. We can have fun tonight. You trying to stay behind me and shit, pull side shit. Okay, what's up with you? What you trying to get into though?
That shit smoky and shit, boy.
Oh, he wants smoke. He wants smoke. He want to smoke. Wrong window. Fuck. I always do that shit. What he trying to get into though? Like
He not doing that shit.
he not doing that shit. He not doing that shit.
Look, he not doing that shit. Pussy.
Oh, I'll stop right behind this car. What's up? What he trying to get?
Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on, he on the other. Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on, nigga.
Oh, he dropped the window.
Oh, he dropped the motherfucking window.
That shit sound crazy.
What?
That shit sound crazy.
Appreciate it, my little baby right here.
Definitely, nigga.
Yo, you trying to race, huh? I bet. Oh yeah. That's what I need. That's what I like to see. This is what I need.
Check up, let that nigga know what this shit really about, man.
This what I need right here. Oh, what collide! I didn't even see that nigga! That nigga gone! I didn't even see that nigga! Nigga said that shit gapped me. Of course it
Heard
don't.
this shit go.
Yo, BDS!
That's
Oh, nigga can't fuck with me. Oh, that's dog right there. That's my dog right there. That's my dog. I should have subscribed to the YouTube for real.
He seen that shit.
You see, we burnt up something. He had to see the logo in the back.
That nigga said that shit sound. So what the fuck? So what the fuck?
Drop the 100-some thousand, counting on happy fuck. Really don't give a fuck how I go get it. I can't go to sleep unless I got me some buck.